Did you know that Thanksgiving is more than just a feast? It's a special day where we share with others, care for those around us, and give thanks for all the good things in our lives. It's a day filled with warmth, laughter, and, of course, delicious food. It's a day to remember that no matter how big or small, every good thing in our lives is a reason to be thankful. So, how about we make this Thanksgiving even more memorable with a fun art project? Today, we're going to make a Thanksgiving turkey using our handprints. Sounds fun, right? This isn't just any turkey, it's a special one, made from the unique prints of our hands. It's a fun and easy craft that each one of us can enjoy regardless of age. We'll create, we'll laugh, and most importantly, we'll make memories. This handprint turkey will be a colorful addition to your Thanksgiving celebrations. So, buckle up, creative explorers. Are you ready to dive into the world of colors? First things first, we need our art supplies. Now let's peek into our magical art box. What do we have here? Yes. The first item on our list is construction paper. We'll need a rainbow of colors to give life to our art project. Next, we'll need some non-toxic paint. This is our magical potion that transforms plain paper into a vibrant masterpiece. Remember, we want colors that shout, "Hello, Thanksgiving!" Now, what's an artist without their brush? That's right, we need a paintbrush. It's like a magic wand that sprinkles color wherever it goes. And then, there are our trusty scissors. They're our crafty helpers, always ready to shape our world. But remember, they're sharp, so we must be careful. Last but not least, we need glue. It's our magic sticky potion that holds our art project together. Got everything? Great. Now let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Now that we have our supplies, it's time to get creative. We're about to take a magical journey through the land of colors. And our hands are the magic paintbrushes. Can you imagine that? Alright, let's start by choosing our favorite colors. Do you love red like a ripe apple? Or blue like the deep, endless sky? Or maybe you love green like a tall leafy tree, or yellow like the bright warm sun. You can choose any colors you want, because this is your very own magical turkey. Now let's paint each finger a different color. That's right! Our fingers are going to turn into colorful turkey feathers. Isn't that fun? Don't worry if it's a little messy, because making art is like going on an adventure. And sometimes, adventures can get a bit messy, right? Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Every hand turkey is unique, just like all of us. Your hand turkey will be the most special turkey in the world because it's made by you. Once we've painted our hands, it's time for the magic moment. Let's press our hand onto the construction paper and voila! Look at that! Can you see the beautiful, colorful feathers of your turkey? And just like that, we've turned our hands into magical paintbrushes and created the feathers of our very own turkey. Isn't art amazing? You're not just an artist, but a magician too. So give your hand turkey a big smile because you've done an amazing job. And remember, this is just the beginning. We still have more fun to come. Look at that! We've made our turkey's feathers. Give yourself a big round of applause. You've taken the first step into the magical world of art and created something beautiful. So let's keep the fun going and see what other magic we can create together. Our turkey needs a body, right? Let's make one! First, we'll need our brown construction paper. This will be the body of our turkey. Can you guess why we're using brown? That's right, because turkeys have brown feathers. Now let's cut out a shape that looks like a big potato. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because guess what? No two turkeys are exactly alike, and that's what makes them special. Next, we're going to glue our turkey's body onto the handprint we made earlier. Remember, the fingers of the handprint are the turkey's colorful feathers, so make sure you glue the body onto the palm part of the handprint. Once you've done that, give it a good press to make sure it sticks. Now, it's time to bring our turkey to life with some details. Let's start with the beak. Turkeys have a small, triangle-shaped beak, so let's cut out a little triangle from our yellow paper and stick it onto the turkey's body. Next up are the eyes. We'll need 2 small circles for that. You can use your white and black papers to cut out 2 circles for each eye. The bigger white circle will be the outer part of the eye, and the smaller black circle will be the inner part. Once you've got them ready, stick them onto the turkey's body above the beak. Lastly, let's not forget our turkey's legs. We'll cut out 2 long, thin shapes from our orange paper for the legs. Stick them at the bottom of the turkey's body, and our turkey can now stand tall and proud. Before we finish, Let's add a little personality to our turkey. How about drawing a big, happy smile on its face? You can use your black marker for this. There you go, a happy turkey ready for Thanksgiving. And voila! We've just made a handprint turkey. Isn't it adorable? While our turkey dries, let's talk about why we celebrate Thanksgiving. Long, long ago, way back in the year 1621, a group of people called the Pilgrims set sail from England on a ship called the Mayflower. They were looking for a new place to live where they could practice their beliefs freely. After a long and challenging journey, they reached a land that we now know as America. When they arrived, it was cold, and the land was strange and new. They didn't know how to grow food in this unfamiliar place. It was a tough first winter, and many pilgrims fell ill. But then, something wonderful happened. A group of Native Americans, led by a man named Squanto, came to their aid. Squanto and his friends taught the pilgrims how to grow corn, beans, and pumpkins. They showed them how to fish and hunt. Thanks to their new friends, the pilgrims were able to survive in their new home. To celebrate their successful harvest, the pilgrims decided to have a grand feast. They invited their Native American friends to join them. Can you imagine that? A big, long table filled with corn, pumpkins, fish, and yes, turkey. Everyone was sharing, laughing, and having a great time. This event was the first Thanksgiving. It wasn't just about the food, though. It was about coming together, sharing what they had, and expressing gratitude for the good things in their lives. The pilgrims were thankful for their new friends and the lessons they had learned. The Native Americans were thankful for the new relationships they had formed. So, every year on the fourth Thursday of November, we continue this tradition of giving thanks. We gather with our families and friends, eat delicious food, and remember to be grateful for the people in our lives and the good times we share. And that's why we celebrate Thanksgiving, to share and give thanks just like the Pilgrims and the Native Americans did. Our handprint turkey is now dry and ready to display. Wow, look at the fantastic artwork we've created together. Isn't it just the perfect symbol of Thanksgiving? It's so colorful and vibrant, just like our spirits during this festive season. Now let's jog our memory a little and remember the fun steps we took to create this masterpiece. First, we gathered all our materials, remember? The colorful paint, the white paper, and our most important tool, our hands. Then we dipped our hands in the paint, made a print on the paper, and voila! Our handprint turkey was born. We didn't stop there, though. We added eyes, a beak, and wiggly legs to our turkey, giving it life and character. And while our art project was drying, we took a leap back in time to learn about the story of Thanksgiving. We learned how the Pilgrims and the Native Americans came together to share a meal, to celebrate the harvest, and to give thanks. Just like them, we too can share and celebrate with our loved ones during this special time. And remember, this handprint turkey isn't just a piece of art, it's a symbol of Thanksgiving, a symbol of sharing, caring, and gratitude. So, why not share it with your family and friends? Show them your creativity and the fun you've had making it. You could even teach them how to make their own handprint turkey. While we wrap up, let's not forget what Thanksgiving is truly about. It's not just about the turkey and the pumpkin pie, although those are pretty yummy. It's about being grateful for what we have, sharing with others, and spreading love and joy. It's about coming together, just like the handprints on our turkey. Each colorful handprint represents someone special in our lives, someone we are thankful for. So let's celebrate them and celebrate this wonderful holiday with joy and gratitude. Remember, Thanksgiving is all about sharing, caring, and giving thanks. And of course, having fun while doing it. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!